Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Let's learn English sentences while doing the household work. There is a lot of dust here, so I am sweeping the floor. झाड़ू लगाने को sweeping कहते हैं. There is lot of dust here, so I am sweeping the floor. I am mopping the floor because the kids have spilled juice everywhere. Mopping मतलब पोंछना, spilled मतलब गिरा दिया. I am dusting the furniture to keep the house clean and fresh. Dinner is over, so I am cleaning the table. Or you can say, I am cleaning the table before serving lunch. This corner looks dusty, so let me clean this corner. There are too many clothes today, so I need to wash them. Let me separate the white and the colored clothes, otherwise the white clothes might get stained. The clothes are dirty, so I am putting them in the washing machine. I am pouring the washing liquid into the machine before starting the wash cycle. The wash cycle is over. Let me take out the wet clothes. I am hanging the clothes so they can dry quickly. Let me fold the clothes before they get wrinkled. I am arranging things properly. Let me fold the clothes before they get wrinkled. This is not in the right place, so let me put it where it belongs. This shelf looks messy, so let me organize this shelf. I am done cleaning and now everything looks neat. Thank you for watching. You can use these sentences in your daily life routine. Like, comment and share for more such videos.